One of our subscribers was funded for $65,000. Now, the EIDL and PPP loans might be over with, but in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you a new funding source where you can get up to $25,000 in as little as 24 hours with absolutely no tax returns and no financials required. South End Capital launches lightning fast stated income SBA Express program. Preferred SBA lender releases small business working capital program that offers funding in hours without tax returns or financials. Now, this has been out for a little over a month, but nobody is really talking about. South End Capital, a division of Stearns Bank, a nationwide commercial lender in tech-enabled business, real estate, and equipment finance platform, has announced an innovative new SBA Express program that enables businesses access to affordable working capital up to $25,000 in hours. SBA financing has always offered appealing terms to small business owners, but the program has been stigmatized by lengthy closing timeframes and a lot of paperwork. South End Capital's new streamlined SBA Express program not only slashes funding timelines from months to hours, but only requires the completion of a small handful of concise forms and often does not require the borrowers provide hard collateral, bank statements, tax returns, or financials. No longer must businesses seeking low documentation and fast working capital pay exorbitant merchant cash advance fees or above market interest rates. Now, South End Capital has rolled out this new SBA Express program with minimal documentation, so no bank statements, no financials, no tax returns. Now, as a lot of you know, SBA programs usually take several weeks or in some cases months before you could actually close on a loan, but with this new program, you can get up to $25,000 with stated income, so this is a game changer. Now, here are some of the details of this new SBA Express program delivered by South End Capital. They're able to deliver a streamlined SBA financing that not only slashes funding times from months to hours, but only requires the completion of several small forms, and oftentimes does not require that borrowers provide hard collateral, bank statements, tax returns, or financials. And one of the greatest benefits is that you can avoid costly merchant cash advances. Now, here are some of the key data points, right? So you can get up to $25,000. This is stated income. You get monthly payments, terms as long as 10 years. Now, the interest rate is going to be prime plus 4.5. Now, the minimum credit score is going to be a 725 minimum score. And of course, as you guys know, with SBA, they do pull your Experian credit report. Most businesses are going to be eligible. There's no prepayment penalty, no hard collateral. You do need to be in business a minimum of 2 years time in business, and you can get same day funding. Now, aside from SBA loans, South End Capital also offer business loans for equipment financing from a minimum of $5,000 all the way up to $5 million plus. Also, they offer business financing a minimum of $1,000 all the way up to $25 million. Sole proprietors are also eligible. Most businesses are going to be eligible as well. And as it states right here, they also have startup financing available. In addition, they also offer real estate financing minimum of $25,000 all the way up to $75 million. They have high loan to value financing. Nonprofits are okay. And they also have unrestricted cash out, interest only available, in an expedited closing process. They also welcome investor and owner occupied commercial property. All you got to do is fill out this very simple form, and submitting the form will not affect your credit score. As it says right here, this is just an initial inquiry for potential financing. You're going to put the loan amount. So if you're trying to get this SBA Express program, what you want to do is just put in $25,000 in this. You also want to make sure that you have at least a 725 credit score, because that's the minimum credit score that they're going to be able to qualify you based off of the SBA Express program. So you have to have at least a 725 Experian credit score. You're also going to select business financing. And then right here, you can just put some of your monthly revenue information. With the SBA program, this is going to be stated income. And then right in this box, all you want to do is type in SBA Express, right? So they know what program that you want to apply for. So just to recap, the SBA SBA Express Business Loan Program is stated income, so you don't have to provide tax returns, financials, or even bank statements. However, you do need at least a 725 Experian credit score. Now, this is an expedited application process, so typically a lot of SBA programs take weeks or even months in order for you to close on a loan. With this particular loan program, you can close in as little as 24 hours. Now, keep in mind when you are applying, because the loans are going to be processed during normal business hours, Monday through Friday. So if you apply late Friday or over the weekend, you may not get a response until next week or the following business week. Now, this new Express program is a game changer because you can get the funds up to $25,000 with just stated income, and you can get those funds within hours. Now, they're giving this money out like hotcakes right now. So this is one of the hottest SBA loan programs out there. One of our subscribers was funded for $65,000. South End Capital, which is a division of Stearns Bank, which is a billion-dollar financial institution, has streamlined this process. And this is a great alternative to even merchant cash advances because you're going to get excellent interest rates, better terms. Another thing I wanted to point out is that you want to make sure that you're following up once you actually submit your funding request, that you follow up either via email or by phone, because a lot of times what happens is that your representatives will reach out, and they're only going to reach out a couple times before they close your application. So make sure if you receive an email or a phone call that you just follow up in a timely manner in order to get access to this money. If anyone's interested, I've dropped a link in the description of the video. That's all for today. Until next time, take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.